If you want to learn how to do a pull-up, but you're struggling to get even one rep, it's most likely that you haven't learned how to create symmetry between scapular depression and then also the pulling movement with your arms. The feet-assisted pull-up is for you, and this is going to give you a massive breakthrough in your pull-up.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Learning how to do a pull-up can be a really frustrating journey for beginners. It seems that no matter how hard you try, you just don't get any closer. One of the key things that you need to learn how to do is how to create scapular depression, control those scapular stabilizers, and initiate the movement correctly in order to have the strength that will transfer over to a pull-up. And a great way to get you introduced to that concept is with feet assistance. When you use your feet on the ground to help assist with the pull-up, it gives you just enough assistance to get you up to the bar, but without taking away from the overall strength development in the upper body. It also allows you to lift your feet off the ground a little bit more when you do the eccentric contraction, so you can build some serious strength. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because you need to understand the 3 coaching cues that we give at the end to make sure that you're doing this the right way, and let's nail that first pull-up for you.
This is the feet-assisted supinated pull-up. We use this in phase 1 to teach the end ranges of a pull-up and to allow people who can't yet do a full bodyweight pull-up to feel what the movement should feel like. It is critical that you understand that quality is what matters here. Focusing only on increasing the intensity of the exercise by lifting your feet off the ground will lead to poor movement quality and stifle progress. Instead, focus on the coaching cues to follow. To set up, make sure you can touch your collarbone or preferably chest to the bar you're using. We like to use a barbell on a squat rack, but you could just as easily use a set of gymnastics rings or set up a box to stand on underneath a pull-up bar.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible, and fit. If you want to know how we do that, grab one of our free downloads. We've got a whole bunch of amazing blueprints that you can get if you click the link in the description. And if you want to get any of our programs for strength, flexibility, injury rehab, or calisthenics skills, you can click the link to see our library. And hey, if you're a driven person and you want to learn how to train in the gym or at home in workouts that take less than an hour that make you strong, flexible, and fit, you want to get access to our full UMS coaching program, there's a link in the description of this video for a 30-day free trial. Hope to see you in there soon.
As long as you can get your collarbone or preferably chest to the bar with your feet on the ground. You should also be able to hang under the bar with your arms straight and without your bum touching the ground. When you're in this hanging position, have your feet slightly in front of your body so you have room to move freely up and down. Start and finish each rep from a dead hang, shoulders relaxed and gripping tightly. Once set up, the 3 cues to think of during the movement are: initiate by pulling shoulders down and chest up. Assist with feet, pulling elbows to your pockets. Be intentional with end ranges. The end ranges of the pull-up are chest touching the bar, shoulders pulled back and down into the back pockets at the top. At the bottom, you should come to a dead hang and have no momentum used for the next rep. It is important to note that during the eccentric phase, when you are going downwards with gravity, you keep your shoulders depressed. You keep them pulled down into the back pocket until your arms are completely straight, and the last thing that happens is that the shoulders elevate or relax.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.